Alex and Archie. Thank you so much for reviewing my Feathered Fun box. I started this box only about 5 months ago with a dream to enrich the lives of birds and bird owners all over the world. Yep, we're international. Every box is themed after each one of my birds, from my beloved mustache parakeet Picasso's inception to my umbrella cockatoo Jersey's birthday box. Each toy was hand-picked by me with the purpose to provide a fun variety of experiences for you and your bird. This month, my thankful box reflects on the very first bird I ever had, a cockatiel named Dooley. Dooley taught me what it was to have the incredible responsibility of bird ownership, and because it's not for everyone, many of these amazing creatures don't get the beautiful life they deserve. It's so important to support those who rescue them, which is why Feathered Fun Box donates a large box of toys and treats to Parrots First in honor of my... In honor of my sniffer community and my sweet African grey Merlin, who I adopted from them. Again, thank you endlessly for the review, and I truly hope Archie knows how special he truly is to have found a wonderful person in you.
What's this? Archie! Archie! Oh.
Have we had enough of this one? What about this?
Archie! Archie, look!